Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango GT all-wheel drive, stock number E2503P. 29,000 miles on this Durango. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite metallic in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seat 7, leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row outboard seats are also heated. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, as you can see. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. And power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.